Welcome back to this Part 5 video on automatic invoice in Excel. In this tutorial, we will look into locking the formula use cells of invoice sheet to protect from unwanted change. This is important because if a user accidentally deleted any of the formula use cell, the invoice will be faulty. To overcome this, we can lock all cells except the customer name, item name, and quantity by using VBA. Let's start. Open VBA and in the Project Explorer, double-click on Invoice Sheet. In the Object list, select Worksheet. In the Procedure list, select Activate. Between this Worksheet Activate procedure, write this code. me.unprotect password is equal to ABCD. me.cells.locked is equal to true. me.range B13 to C25.locked is equal to false. me.range C8 to G8.locked is equal to false. me.protect password is equal to ABCD. This code locks all other cells except the customer name selection and item and quantity selection cells. Close VBA editor window, select another sheet, and again select Invoice Sheet to activate the code. Now, if you try to change or delete lock cell, Excel will not let you do that. For example, let me delete the value in invoice number cell. Here you see, a message box appears which says the cell you are trying to change is in a protected sheet. To make change, you need to unprotect the sheet with password. In this invoice sheet, you can change the values only in customer name, item name, and quantity. If the user mistakenly try to edit the values in auto-calculated cells, system will prevent it. Next, we have to unprotect the sheet while saving the invoice. Because the system will try to modify the value in invoice number cell and invoice generated date time cell. So, as soon as these values are updated, it should again protect the sheet. For this, go to Print and Save Invoice Procedure. Before this code, write the code for sheet unprotect. sh.unprotect password equal to ABCD. Below this code, write code to protect the sheet again. sh.protect password equal to ABCD. Same way, unprotect and protect sheet before and after this invoice number auto update code. Do the same in Save Invoice Procedure. Now test for final outcome by creating an invoice, then click on Print and Save. Try to delete value in formula use cells and see whether it is locked or not. Looks everything is working fine. Test Save Invoice button also by creating another invoice. So, this is all about locking the formula use cells of invoice sheet to prevent from unwanted change. If you want to download the practice workbook file, visit the website given in video description below and search for automatic invoice. Thank you so much for watching.